actually recording. I hope so. Alright, folks. I wasn't actually planning on doing this, but I was about to make lunch, and I had some secret things that I don't want to show anybody. Whatever that means. And I realized that the secret thing that I don't want to show anybody... I need to put some sauce on it, though, to make it more delicious. It's already probably pretty good, and it involves avocados, but I don't have any sauce. And so then I figured, like, I need to make the sauce, and I think I have enough. Just barely. This won't be the best version of the sauce, but I think it'll do. So we're going to make the sauce, which is kind of like tzatziki, but probably not exactly tzatziki. But it's so fucking good. You put it fucking on anything. And it's just like, what? It's like yogurt and just like a bunch of like raw root vegetables and spicy stuff. So I'm guessing that that's like, I don't know, like healthy or something. It's definitely like not as bad as mayo, let's say, right? So anyway, that's what we're going to be making today on Spatchelor Batchula. I should probably go buy ingredients. Yeah. Alright, let's get cooking. Welcome to my kingdom. You know, my band members get on my case about drinking so much non-alcoholic beer. What a thing to have, like, a thing for. At least it's not alcoholic beer. Alright, so to make the sauce, which is what I call it, but I guess it's kind of tzatziki, really only need so much. Like Bulgaria, I don't know, if you're in Japan, you probably know what that means. If you're not, just get some regular plain yogurt, preferably ones that don't have Disney characters on it. So you need that. Some green peppers. I usually use like 1 or 2. Get some cucumber. I usually use 1. Actually prefer using red onions, but I forgot that, so I'm gonna have to settle for white. Just fine. And then just like a fuck ton of garlic, really, as much as you want. I'm a big garlic fan, so I'm gonna use, I guess, 4 cloves. Is that it? Oh, and then, fuck. Damn it, I totally forgot pepper. Alright, I don't have any pepper, but yeah, you don't even really need pepper. You need salt, but not really pepper. And so what you want to do though is, since there's already like, it's yogurt, it has a lot of liquid in it, it doesn't really need more. What I tend to do is like grate everything, yeah, and then like squeeze it to get some of the juice out, the liquid out. Usually I use like half an onion. So yeah, let's do a great job. Ha 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 ha. Nobody's watching this, right? Ever. What a great way to spend my time. Let's get you out of there. Oh, and also, by the way, if you're a fan of the show, you probably noticed that I have a bag of vegetable clippings I use to make, boil down and make stock with. Oh, and then you're also going to want Berbere, I don't know how to pronounce this. This seasoning makes a huge fucking difference. You gotta get something like this though, like chili powder or like chicken jerk, something like that. You're really gonna want that like spiciness. So, let's get cooking.
Johnny Punch and cucumber cool. On the streets we break the rules. We spread it thick, no fuss. Join the sauce revolution with us.
So we got the sauces created. I put on like pretty much everything. Alright, so got a few leftover pieces of green pepper here. Which, I don't know if you've ever tried oroshing green pepper, but it's really hard. So I always have some stuff left over, which is great because then I get to dip it in the sauce and see how I did. Fucking Christ, that's good. I mentioned I was using white onions. I feel like the red onion is actually still great, but it does lack a little bit of that zing that I'm used to. So fucking delicious. Alright, so where's my bag roll? That is it for this episode of Spatchelor Batchula. Like and subscribe, I don't know. Fuck you.